Hey everyone, how are you all? Welcome back to my channel again. Today I came up with a very unique portrait of Lord Vishwakarma with meditation pose. I'm sure you will learn a packaged information about Vishwakarma and will enjoy the rarest portrait of Lord Vishwakarma in unique meditation pose. So without wasting time, let's start the video and acquire more unique facts about him. The Hindu religion can rightly be called the religion of festivals. Each year, hundreds of festivals are celebrated, which are dedicated to various Hindu gods and goddesses. An atmosphere of festivity is maintained throughout the year. It reaffirms the principle that life is a celebration. One such hugely popular festival is Lord Vishwakarma Puja. Lord Vishwakarma is remembered on the day of Vishwakarma Puja. The occasion is also known as Vishwakarma Jayanti. It is celebrated with tremendous devotion throughout the country's length and breadth, including states like Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Bihar, Jharkhand, Madhya Pradesh, Karnataka, Assam, West Bengal and Tripura. Vishwakarma Puja is celebrated on Bhadra Sankranti Day, which is the last day of Bengali month Bhadra. It usually falls on 17th September every year. About Lord Vishwakarma. Lord Vishwakarma is considered as the divine engineer and the principal architect of the universe. He is the chief deity of all architects and engineers. He is believed to have constructed the whole city of Dwarka, the capital of Lord Krishna's kingdom. He is also the creator of many fabulous weapons for the Devdas. Lord Vishwakarma is mentioned in the Rig Vedas and created with Sthapatya Veda, the science of mechanics, engineering and architecture. He was born to Vasu Pravasha and Yoga Siddha. His wife name was Gayatri Devi. He is believed to have emerged during Samudra Manthan. He adorned gold jewelry and a crown. In his hands, he holds water pot, book, craftsman's tool and anus. Why Vishwakarma Puja is celebrated? Vishwakarma Puja is celebrated to worship Lord Vishwakarma. He is the chief architect and engineer of all the gods. Vishwakarma ji, known as the creator of many mythological cities and weapons, he is immensely popular among Hindus. All professionals, including craftsmen and workers, worship him on his birthday and celebrate this day as Vishwakarma Puja. As Lord Vishwakarma is the god of engineering and architecture, in factories, workshops and industries perform Vishwakarma Puja. All professionals, including craftsmen, workers and engineers, architects, celebrate this festival with great devotion, joy and enthusiasm. So this is all about Vishwakarma Puja. If you have enjoyed this painting, then please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up and comments me that how you have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye.